In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Session app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android devices, and it gives you access to millions of applications. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the store will load, displaying a variety of apps and games available for download. This step is essential as it is the gateway to downloading any application safely and securely on your Android device. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store screen. The search bar is prominently placed, making it easy to find. Once you tap on it, a keyboard will appear, allowing you to type. Now type in Session Private Messenger into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly, as this will help you find the exact app you are looking for. After entering the name, you will see a list of search results. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific app you want, ensuring you download the correct one. From there, select the official Session Mayans Private Messenger app, published by the Session Foundation. It is important to verify that it is the official app to avoid downloading any fake or potentially harmful versions. You can usually recognize the official app by its logo and the publisher's name. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. This will take you to the app's page where you can see more details about its features and user reviews. Selecting the correct app ensures that you are getting the most secure and reliable version available. Now you need to tap the Install button on the app's page. This button is typically located near the top of the screen, and it is often highlighted in a bright color. Once you tap Install, the app will begin downloading and installing on your device. You may see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This action is important because it initiates the installation process, which will allow you to start using the app once it completes. After the installation is finished, you can find the Session app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Look for the Session icon, which often features a recognizable logo. Once you locate it, tap on the icon to open the app. This step is exciting because it means you're ready to start using Session for secure messaging. You might need to go through a quick setup process the first time you open the app. By following these steps, you have successfully downloaded the Session app on your Android device. Remember to keep your app updated by checking the Google Play Store regularly. Updates often include important security features and new functionalities. With your new app ready to go, you can enjoy private messaging, knowing that your conversations are secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.